Hi guys, and welcome back to Joey's Table for another round 2 of snacks. So what do I have today? I have unique original splits pretzels. Bubbles, deep grooves, beneath the surface. It's bursting with tantalizing flavor, packing a serious pretzel crunch. This should be really crunchy. I had like literally 2 because Justin brought it home from grocery shopping, so. But. Okay, just like that. No, that won't work. This is from when I made the corn dog video, and it went wrong. This is the cheese that they gave us. But pretzels and cheese. So how is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys don't mind me cracking out the food mukbangs. I figure I'd like make like a video for each type of food. Personally, I was like that with mukbang. Like I'd always go online and I'd look for like videos of like people eating like my favorite foods, like chips. Or like pasta, or like chicken. Which is always cool. Found a lot of great people. Definitely a different taste. This is definitely unique. That's kind of cool because I have like the Sonic cheese. You want a bite? Take a bite. Come on, take a bite. Do it. I finally got like the best clean of this table the other day when my mom came over. Do you ever do that? Do you like live on your own? Or like even if you live at home, like, and you want to make your room presentable, like that's what I was doing. I made like my whole house somewhat presentable, except for the dishes. I always have like a massive amount of dishes because I have a small dishwasher, small sink. Chores for dishes are only on my side. He does usually everything else, but that's by hand. With us, I'm more of like the deal with like bills and paperwork. And like paying them, not with my like all of it with my money. Like doing kind of like the, what's the word? Like more of like the financial numbers. He does more of like the physical carrying. Which is always a plus, ladies. Be a stay-at-home wife. Or stay-at-home husband, whatever you like to do. I like to be a stay-at-home husband, for sure. But Yeah, no. I don't even know where I was going with that story. It was like everywhere. Is there anything that's like good on TV right now? Like, I know I keep saying that, but that's because I don't watch TV. Like, I watch like Netflix and Hulu. So is there like anything I should be watching? I hope so. I hope there's something out there that I should be watching. And anybody like have any news on like the new American Horror Story? Oh my gosh. What was I gonna say? Okay. So those of you that made it so far into the video, should I do another ASMR tonight or a mukbang? Please leave in comments below. Should I do another ASMR tonight or mukbang? So say like I get like spaghetti, right? I make spaghetti. Should I make an ASMR out of it and like do some whispering or no talking? Or should I do a mukbang? We'll see though, because my videos haven't been getting like a lot of views lately. And I'm sure that's because of the content that I'm releasing. It's not my best, but this is usually this is probably gonna be like the zone where I start to slow down with my videos because of money. Because I like load up with all my videos and everything I eat, and then some. This cheese has gone like sat in my fridge for a little bit. Like not long. Like less than a week, but it's still really good. What is this? 395 grams of sodium. And this, well, this comes with no nutritional value. So, with that being said, I think I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscription if you're new. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell if you're like a fan, or if you're not, because you can always check out my content and see what else to bring onto the show. You never know. I'm probably going to eat over 1 million things in the next year, but I'm excited. I'm going to make it a challenge to try and do as many videos as I can, as in the sense of like with each individual food item I eat. So say like I eat chicken nuggets, I want to do like another video of me doing chicken tenders, and then like a chicken sandwich, and then like a hamburger. Like I don't want it to be like chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets. Although I have already done the 2 for $6, 2 for $6, 2 for $6 at Burger King a couple times, but that's just one of my favorite foods to eat. Alright, I'm a little like all over the place, but thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again. Bye!